Being a first-time homeowner, the feeling of having something to call your own is a beautiful thing.
It's just lovely. I just love the house, period. Every time I walk in, I'm so happy that we as homeowners, because I never been a homeowner, we always rent.
So prior to this home, we was in a 2-bedroom house. It was just me and her. Then our daughter was out there on drugs real bad. We ended up getting the kids because they would have been going to the foster system, and we needed more room. The kids needed a better place to stay, and we needed some way that they could grow where we know they have a foundation for them. The challenges was supporting a growing family, from going from just 2 to 6 in a matter of minutes like that. So we looking at financial-wise, clothes, beds, groceries, so everything out of pocket. So it would have just been a financial situation because now we putting out more funds to support the family. We are in this home today because Georgia Ports Authority had funds that was available for the process of purchasing your home. And then when we got our realtor, she showed us just a couple of homes that she had available. And one of the homes was this brand new house that was built from the ground up. So my grandkids, they love the house, they love the space, they love being here.
When they first came here, they already cleaned it. They already cleaned the house.
They were like, Grandma, this is it right here.
That's it.
So it's really about making them happy, making them feel safe, and letting them have a safe place to grow up. For me, I feel like if it wasn't for the down payment program to make things better for our grandkids, we wouldn't be where we're here today. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. So we're gonna take care of the babies.
Yeah.
The future for the Green family is so big, so bright. I feel like the sky's the limit.